Hi there, my name is Nicola. Welcome to my channel. If you are new around here, we learn about WordPress, HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. In this video, I want to present you a brand new course. It is about coding a whole website from scratch using pure HTML and CSS without any framework. Also, our project will be mobile ready, modern, and attractive. You don't need any previous experience, but if you already have some knowledge, then this course will be a great refresher. I don't go deep in HTML and CSS, but with this you will have a pretty solid ground. So, subscribe and watch. It is all for free. All you need are any code editor. I will use brackets with few extensions like HTML skeleton and emmet. If you don't know what those are, please watch my previous tutorial about brackets code editor and his time-saving extensions. The link will be down there. Let's see how our website looks like and how I'm going to divide this course. Here we have our website. It is about fictional hosting company with web developing and solutions. Okay. Here we have the logo with this nice hover animation. Beneath that we have 4 pages, but 4 sections, not really pages. This is the first section, the header section. Beneath is second section called Hero, with heading, some text, and 2 buttons. The third section will be this partners section with few logos, and on hover the name of specific company will pop up. Next section is about us with background image with overlay, heading, some text, and 4 nice icons with number of projects, awards, happy clients. Beneath that is next section. This is company services with 6 cards and font awesome icons and nice shadow hover animation. Okay, now we have our promotion video or who we are section with on left side we have a video and on the right we have some text and button for start campaign. Beneath that is contact section, again with font awesome icon, heading, and icons for location, phone, and email. Beneath that is contact form with this send message button. Beneath that we have nice ice blue shadow effect, and beneath that is footer with, again we have here the services, the menu, footer menu, social icons, and 2 links here. Also, our website is mobile responsive. Let me show you. This is the laptop size. Here you can see the width of device. Okay. This is for ordinary laptop. Then we have tablet size. See? Our design is totally adaptable. Okay, let me see on smaller. See the width of those buttons. Icons, services. Okay, here we have the medium mobile size and the small mobile. Okay, this is our full project. Okay guys, this is all for introduction video. If you want to learn how to code responsive and modern websites with only HTML and CSS, subscribe and I will see you in next video. Until tomorrow, bye bye.